need to pack. Where? It's your safety I'm worried about. Sue! Go pack your things. We're leaving.
What? Why are we leaving?
Do you remember me talking about my old arch enemy, Mr. Brownie?
Sure, you ordered his Jell-O pizza, and you liked it.
Yes, right. Because of that dumb, and not tasty at all pizza, Mr. Brownie has learned where I live and sent me a letter with threats.
A real letter with threats?
Yes!
So what did he write?
I haven't read it yet, but what else can he write?
Sam, let's take a look. Let's see. Sammy, it's just a thank you card for ordering his pizza.
What? I need to examine it thoroughly and I'll let you know.
What can you do? Sam always makes mountains out of molehills, perhaps because of his trip to the Tibidabo.
I've examined this card.
And what's your opinion?
Well, you were correct. But it's only on the surface, I'm sure. I need to protect myself and you, and Ducky, and everything! I know. I need superhero advice from someone who has experience of standing up to our enemies.
Which superhero?
I need to think. I have these cards here.
Oh, let's see. Maybe Superman?
No, he's too, heroic to my liking. Iron Man won't do. Whoa! Let it be Batman. He knows, I'm sure.
Batman? Huh. Then you need a special bat flashlight to call him, right?
Yes! A flashlight! Let's make it! Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'll call Batman and he'll tell me everything. He'll teach me to stand up to enemies.
Whoa, careful now, my hero. Look, to make a bat flashlight, we'll need an empty chip box.
Why is it empty?
Well, you finished the chips yesterday, remember?
Oh, yes. I thought it was Mr. Brownie, his evil tricks and all.
Oh, Sammy, I think you let your imagination wander too much.
No, not too much. Right, I'll go put my imagination to practical use and write a reply to Mr. Brownie so he would know what's coming for him.
Go on. While Sam's composing his reply, I'll make the flashlight. I'll take this cap and draw Batman's symbol with a black marker.
Hey, how do you spell indignantly?
INDIGNANTLY. What are you writing?
Well, I need to tell Mr. Brownie to stop sending me his letters with hidden threats.
Oh, Sammy, it was just a thank you card. It would be rude to send an offensive card in reply.
Well, that's reasonable. Or he'll start thinking I'm scared. So, how's the flashlight coming?
Batman. Haha, almost done. Look, I'll put a flashlight inside the box and then put the lid on.
Oh, let's try it out! Come on, we need to light it really well!
I'm doing it, like this! Ooh.
Na, Batman! Batman just has to notice this.
Are you gonna just wait now?
Well, what else is there to do?
I'm sure you'll manage, even without Batman. Guys, do you agree? Give a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see how the events will go. And if you make this flashlight, send us some photos. It'll make our day. Bye-bye!